Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Comida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, July 15, 2025. Vico Sotto pinatikim ang Hey Moonshine ng ibang klaseng pagtrato sa Pasig. Todo puri ang bandang Hey Moonshine kay Pasig City Mayor Vico Sotto at sa kanyang staff matapos mag-perform para sa mga Pasigenyo. Isa ang Hey Moonshine sa mga special guest sa ginanap na araw ng Pasig kamakailan at grabe ang pagpapasalamat nila sa organizers dahil sa patas at marespetong pagtrato sa kanila. Partikular na pinuri ng banda ang liderato ni Mayor Vico at ang buong events team dahil sa fair at professional na paghawak ng mga artists na sana raw ay tularan ng iba. Viral sa Facebook ang post ng banda tungkol sa naging experience nila sa naturang event sa Pasig kung saan nag-perform din ang grupong Lily at Rocksteady. Ayon sa Hey Moonshine, kahit na raw hindi sila ang pangunahing act sa event ay pantay na pagtrato ang ibinigay sa kanila ng organizers mula sa sariling air-conditioned tent, pizza para sa buong crew, hanggang sa catering service. Kung ano ang pag-estima sa Lily at Rocksteady ay ganuan din daw ang ipinaramdam sa kanila. We've played countless events through the years. Some are memorable, some forgettable. We've met all kinds of organizers, from those who leave artists starving, sunburned, and unpaid, to those who pamper them. But Pasig City, Pasig took artist treatment to a whole new level. So, we were invited to play at Araw ng Pasig alongside big names like Lily and Rocksteady. Now, we're no rookies. We've been around. We've played big venues both in Manila and out of town. But we know that we are not in the same league as those headliners. So, we came in expecting the usual treatment for artists in our level. We usually share holding areas with other artists. We are usually given packed meals. We usually play when called, given a set of rules and constantly reminded we are not the main acts. But Pasig treated us differently. Pero ang talagang nagmarka sa kanila ay ang personal na pagbisita ni Mayor Vico sa mga imbitadong performers, na talagang bumaba pa sa tent nila. Bumilib din daw sila sa isinasagawang real-time na paglilinis habang nagaganap ang concert. Then the show itself. It was and on time. Sadly, punctuality is a rare commodity concerts. But Pasig was on the dot. And here's the wildest part, something we've never ever seen before in any event. Concerts are usually messy, confetti on the ground, bottles and wrappers. Usually, guests are asked to clean up after. Even with that, you often leave the event grounds dirty and messy and the organizers spend the next few days cleaning up. But in Pasig, cleaning crews were on standby. When the confetti flew they swept it right there while the show was happening and started. Walang kalat sa concert grounds. Ibang klase diba? Bukod kay Mayor Vico, may pa-shoutout din ang Hey Moonshine sa buong event team ng Pasig. The entire event team, you deserve all the applause. And this is how it should be. Other organizers, take note. Pasig just raised the bar, sabi pa ng grupo. Isa ang OPM icon na si Jim Paredes sa nagpatunay ng post ng banda, "We've done Pasig." Maayos talaga. Thanks to Mayor Vico. Narito ang ilang comments ng netizens. Is Mayor Vico for real? Grabe ka Mayor, you excel kahit sa ang aspeto ng pamamalakad at ng iyong pagkatao. Sana dumami kapag nabasa. Thanks Hey Moonshine for sharing your experience. Pasig keeps raising the bar. Honestly, the way Mayor Vico runs the city should be the norm, the bare minimum we expect from our leaders and organizers. Madali lang po ba makakuha ng resident visa sa Pasig? Asking for a friend. Basta hindi binulsa, ramdam mo. Talaga yung budget and it's always more than enough. At yan ang ating latest Showbiz Chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click the notification bell for more Showbiz Chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios!